Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maeva. For today's video, I am deep cleaning my whole house. I love to record when I clean because I feel like it motivates me more, keeps me going, and I'm not so distracted. But I've been pushing this off for a few weeks now because it's so messy. As some of you know, I started wedding planning very early, mostly because half of the venues I called are booked until 2026 because of COVID. So that kind of stressed me out. I was on venue searches, trying to find my dress. I was just doing everything. So let's get started. My first room that I mainly want to focus on is my closet. This is what my makeup desk looks like right now, and you're like, oh, that's not even that bad. Clean clothes that need to be hung up. Dirty clothes that need to go downstairs. And I separated them from whites and darks, obviously, but I did that like last week. So that's... At least I'm honest, right? My video cut out halfway filming because I ran out of storage, but this is everything off my desk. Now I just have to clean it. All clean and organized. Before I start the laundry for this, I'm gonna wash my bed sheets. I love throwing things over the edge. There it all is down there. Halo was sleeping right down there, so that scared him really bad. I'm sorry, buddy. I am being so vulnerable with you guys. See, it's okay if you have a messy space. I promise you, everyone at some point has mess in their homes, okay? Now I'm cleaning all this stuff. Look at how cool this is. So it looks like a book, but it's a light. Bathroom is all clean. I'm literally sweating just from that. I might have to change out of this outfit. It's really hot outside. It's like 70s, so I don't know why I'm wearing a sweat set right now. Now I'm separating my whites and my towels. I'm debating about getting rid of our washer and dryer and then adding a stackable and doing two, so I can have two washers and two dryers, because like I just want two loads going right now and I can only have one. So I think we're gonna do that. Here's my pile. Towel, towel, towel. This is so much stuff that I have to put away. This stuff is amazing. Please go get it. This is everything that was just downstairs that I need to put away. I had to change because holy crap, I was dying. I got this ear cleaner off of Amazon because you know how like Q-tips are bad for you? This is supposed to like suck it out, which sounds disgusting, but if it works, I'm down. There's my coconut oil. Look at that. There's literally dust on this stuff. Like that is so embarrassing. I started coconut pulls and then I stopped, but I'm putting it in my bathroom, so I do it every single night because it's supposed to be really good for you. Maybe if I see it every night, it'll make me do it more. Paper clips? Like, what is that doing in here? Before Daniel proposed, he would make me paper rings. They're so adorable. Look at this. Like, are you kidding me? I'm living a fairy tale, yeah. Q-tips, this is awkward. I got this silk pajama set off of Amazon and I cannot wait to wear this. This is makeup stuff that I have to put away, and this is bathroom stuff. I need to find skinny organizers because this bothers me so much. I have have to organize all of this, but that is for a different day because there's no way I am doing that right now. It looks messy, but everything has its own category. Skincare, body care, hair care, my headbands, claw clips, my waxing stuff, my teeth stuff, Hilo stuff, and yeah. So like it looks messy, but it's just because the bins are full and I just need to add more bins, which I literally just did. Look at how cute these claw clips are. They're literally like pink shells. They are so cute. This is kind of stressing me out, but I am not doing that right now. No, I'll just keep this shut. Walking into my office, I'm putting all of this stuff away. Now that upstairs is done, I'm gonna clean down here now. But first, I'm gonna make a chai. I love you, princess girls. Oh, thank yous. She's like drooling or something. Say hi to the vlog, pretty girls. Aww. She does this all day, every day. Like, I swear, she's attached to my hip. She wants me to rub her ear. This is what she wants me to do all day. I love her. Oh, I love you, princess. I was spending way too much money at Bigfoot, so I bought the exact chai that they use so I can make my own. Wow, I'm so good. Past barista things. Bigfoot Java is a coffee stand that I used to work at, and it's also like a very known coffee stand in Washington. Literally that chai powder, I do 3 tablespoons and then I blend it with milk. That's literally what we did at Bigfoot. We just put it in the blender with milk and blended it and put it over ice. So that's literally how we made our chais. So if you want to save money and make chais at home, I will link that chai down below, and that's the exact chai and it tastes the exact same. So I'm saving myself like $5. I've had that pack for like about 2 months now, and I drink a chai almost every day because I don't drink coffee anymore. So chais are like my go-to. So yep, you're welcome. I'm going to unload the dishwasher and then load it and do all the dishes, yada yada yada. Look at how cute these rib glasses are. I will link them down below as well. Also these mugs. Like, are you kidding me? These are so cute. All I really have to do is switch out the bed sheets and then put in the whites and then the darks after, and vacuum. And obviously put that skincare away. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want a house tour, comment it down below because I am more than happy to give you guys a house tour. I just have like a few more things that I have to fix up, and I really want to show you guys the outside of the house once it's all done. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this video, and I hope this gave you a little motivation to clean your space today. Love you. Bye.